Ethereum, the cryptocurrency that marked a meteoric rise to over $4,000 during the Trump euphoria, has of late lost its shine and finds itself engulfed in a downward spiral, giving a negative market sentiment. As wary investors look for safe haven assets, Ethereum is struggling hard to regain its lost glory amidst the widespread uncertainty. Betting against the Ethereum has been the best performing exchange-traded fund strategy so far in 2025, says Bloomberg analyst Eric Balchunas. To make matters worse, two Ethereum short-selling funds have emerged as some of the high returns investments. अगर मैं आपको थोड़ा सा इसको elaborate करूं तो year to date, Pro shares जैसे ultra short Ethereum ETF and T-Rex 2 times inverse Ethereum daily target ETF are up approximately 247% and 220% respectively. Bloomberg Intelligence का data is showed and जो ये एक ट्रेंड सेट करता है कि यहाँ पर एक bearish sentiment चल रहा है Ethereum में. Since their respective launches, the divergence in the net flows tells us the entire story. मैं आपको अगर inception से अगर हम बात करूँ तो Bitcoin ETFs have since the time it has been launched, which is the January 11, 2024, they have attracted inflows worth $35 billion, and Ethereum ETFs have recorded net flows exceeding $2.28 billion, जो कि July 23, 2024 में. Despite the Duncan upgrade in the March 2024 that aimed to reduce transaction fees on Ethereum's layer 2 network by up to almost 100%, its native token Ethereum continues to suffer because of the challenges in monetizing its layer 2 scaling chains, and this has been a concern जो कि एनालिस्ट ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से हाईलाइट किया हुआ है. एंड फ्रॉम डोमिनेटिंग ओवर, अगर हम उनके DeFi मार्केट शेयर की अगर हम बात करें इथेरियम की, एक टाइम पर 70% डोमिनेट करते थे DeFi सेगमेंट को, which has come down to 54%. This has actually been a problem that the second largest crypto by market cap, Ethereum, has been bleeding market share. And after President Trump's return to White House, Ethereum market cap has fallen from $600 billion to around $200 billion as we speak. On the other hand, its rival Solana is blazing past 860 real-time TPS versus Ethereum's sluggish 13.45. Projects are migrating, foundations are silent, and the spotlight is shifting. On the back of low TPS and the higher gas fees, several projects have moved away from Ethereum, and developers are now pushing forward with the Petra upgrade aimed at improving efficiency and addressing the shortcomings and staking in the spot Ethereum. तो इतनी अनसर्टेनिटी में एक लाइफलाइन क्या मिल सकती है? अगर स्टेकिंग का फीचर स्पॉट इथेरियम ETFs में अगर आ जाता है, दिस कुड ऐड अनदर लाइफलाइन फॉर इथेरियम. एंड करंटली ETF managers can't stake Ethereum due to the regulatory limits. If this approves, what will happen? Yields of 3.5 to 5% APY could be unlocked. Institutional holders could earn passive income, and this could reduce sell pressure and boost long-term holdings. However, the US SEC is yet undecided on this, but with Paul Atkins, who was confirmed by the Senate last week as the new SEC chairman, things could change for Ethereum dramatically. As Standard Chartered noted that the real Ethereum story begins with the ETFs offer staking. That's when the institutional stop trading and start investing. So, to conclude, Ethereum is battered but not broken. The road ahead hinges on scalability, institutional incentives, and bold upgrades. So Petra and ETF staking might help it defend its crown. And Ethereum may bounce back with a gusto rather than the risk fading as a relic in the age of Solana and beyond. That's all there is in this special story. Stay tuned for 3 TV.